you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay, how much do you got now?
As in cash. Let me explain to you, because every member of the family is running up and down. In cash now, we have 285,000. But the person that bought the car, wait to listen to me. The person that want to buy the car, he want to buy the car for 385,000. He said he will bring 200,000 by 5 o'clock. So please hold on. He said he will bring 200,000 by 5 o'clock. That means if we add this one, it will be 585,000 or so. Now I'm going to the family house. I want to see how much they have gathered there, because this money, every member of the family is donating money. So when I get to the family house now, I will call you.
Listen to me. Did you hear what I tell you about?
Eh?
Did you hear what I tell you now?
Go ahead. What did you say?
Tell him, listen to me. I tell you one talk now.
Okay, go on.
Even now, 50 million you gather, I know the see come out this month for my heart.
Even if now
50 million you gather now, I know they come out. You know the see come out for my hand.
Okay. Well, let me. I will relate your message to the family.
You hear?
Because even me, as I talk to you, I'm not well. I'm receiving treatment. But let me go to the family. We will call you.
Why you call me? I say even na 50 million you don't gather now. I know if it's that money, you not go see come out this month for my hand. You hear that?
So what do you want us to do now?
Go buy collecting money. I know like collect go na 50 million you gather. I know the collector.
You say even na 50 million, you know they collect.
Yes.
Let me tell you the truth, sir. Because I know you are a God-fearing man. In this country now, you know how much money is very scarce. You know the problem we are facing in this country. You understand? This man that you are carrying there, 2 of our children are at home. They cannot go to school.
You hear that?
We will try our best.
Listen to me. Any person why you get that color motor, you get money. If you na 50 million, they bring come.
The motor, they don't want to buy for more than 385,000. And the man is not bringing much money on it. It's an old motor. He not get tired.
You hear that? If you talk that talk, this man I go see kill them all.
Please, we are begging you in the name of God.
I tell you yesterday to today. I say me no talk that bad talk. You don't know the hear.
I'm not talking any battle. I'm just begging you in the name of God.
I know they collect that more money. Even at 50 million, they don't get that now. I know Kojirin collect them.
Let me finish with I'm going to the family house now. I'm trekking. When I get there.
I swear to God, I don't tell that man. Please, they know anything.
Yeah, so,
Bros Barry.
Please, yesterday when you better do 50, I was beating. I was tortured at 12 a.m. today. But off my clothes, they start beating me. Because they said that's what we come to the trash talk. But when I begged them, later he gave me my clothes. He took the rope off my hand and he said today he wants to get million. So that guy from where you yesterday, please stop talking that, stop saying that about. Let us find place and shoot for this another place.
Bros Barry, you know how you left the house. You know how you left the house. Everybody is donating 5,000, 20,000, 50,000 around. What we have raised, if the person that want to sell the car now bring an additional money, it will be above 600,000. Maybe before the evening comes, before evening, I will call and say this is how much we have gathered. Everybody know how Nigeria is at this time, Bros Barry. Don't let us deceive ourselves. I told the man, your children that are at home, have we paid the school fees? Everybody is suffering and crying everywhere. So I will call in the... Eh?
Did you tell Lopez?
Yes.
Okay.
Lopez is still coming. In fact, he left, he's in the farm that is in Logundu. So he's leaving Logundu to come. He said he has a bag of cocoa to sell. So
Please, I will beg you for that. I don't know how they will get 50 million. I don't. Please, I don't know how they will get 50 million. I don't know. That means you want to kill me. Please, don't kill me. Please, don't waste my life. Please. I'm not doing what I tell you. Let me talk to him again. Tom.
Bros Barry.
Yeah, you can hear him.
You.
He said 15 million that he will not reduce it.
Where God will touch his heart. Because everybody, let me tell you, Mama, they have already admitted Mama in hospital now. They are passing drip in her body. Everybody is shouting everywhere. There is nowhere we have not gone to look for money. We have gone everywhere to look for money. Lopez is coming. He will sell a bag of cocoa. We will add the money to it. We are farmers. Everybody is gathering everything together. So by evening when I talk with you, I will let you know how much we have that we have gathered. They don't need to kill you because we have not saying we are not paying, but we don't have the capacity. We don't have the capacity. We are farmers. Yeah, I will tell them. Which money? How much do you have? If the money you even want somebody who went to take money from him, he said you are owing him money.
Yeah, I know. I'm owing some people. Yes.
Ah.
I know.
We want to collect money from Mr. Ogunro the other time. He said, I can't do. He said you are owing 500,000. You didn't tell us that you are owing money now.
I hope please don't help me to beg them.
I will beg them. All right.
Like, comment and share, and remember to subscribe to Enlightened TV for more videos. Click the red button at the lower right hand corner, then click the bell. Thank you.